I wish you loved yourself just a little bit more. I wish you saw what I saw, girl, you're a star. I miss some pretty lips, Victoria's Secret, way they shine after giving me a kiss. I never met a girl who do it like you do. In the backseat, girl, like we used to. I still remember the very first night.
Take a breath, feel the air, because I never want this moment to end. Listen close, and you'll understand what the wind is speaking to you, while the rays of sunshine soothe you. You are my sunflower. Yes, I'm better
You should hurry home. I left the keys under the front door. It won't be long till I roll on. Leave me alone till I feel like my slumber got disturbed. Only hoping for the worst. 3 a.m. sentimental thoughts. I heard to win you in my life. What's getting in the way? Probably how I behave towards you with all the love you strongly desire, pushing me away. On the surface, on the surface, on the surface, I comprehend what you misinterpret. Drowned in my sleep, I found there's you, no one, nothing else. I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink up my coffee, harder iced, to get me through another lonely night. I wanna fall asleep, but I shouldn't fall asleep this time. 'Cause lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.
Lately you've been counting way too many sheep, way too tired to even see that we don't last just in your dreams. Oh, every morning I wake up wishing that you would see. Oh, 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 you know I fall asleep too early and you're sleeping way too late. Till then, I guess I'll see you in my dreams.